Hey guys, I'm the Hacksmith, and on our channel we take fictional ideas from comics, movies, and video games and make real, working prototypes. Some of our most popular projects have been Marvel projects, like our original electromagnetic Captain America shield, his new Wakandan one, a real working Iron Man helmet, and I've even made a 114-pound Thor hammer out of tungsten. And of course, Stormbreaker too.
Bring me.
Now, a few months ago, Riley asked me if he could try making the double-edged Thanos sword. Naturally, I said yes, and we're doing it right this time.
So for the sword design, we're going to take a reference image of a Thanos statue and just draw around it. For the size, we got to scale it down to my height because in reality it's supposed to be 8'4". I'm going to make it 6'2". After that, we got to design the details separately and then mirror it, and it's ready to send to the plasma. So now that the design is done, we can cut it out on our Maverick CNC plasma cutter provided to us by Elite Metal Tools. Okay, so now that we have all of the parts cut out, we've got to weigh every part and make sure that both sides are actually the same weight so that when we put the blade together, it's perfectly balanced. So for the blade section, we're actually using 1084 high carbon steel. Now this is different than mild steel, and when we weld it, we need to preheat it first so that we don't thermally shock it and we get a nice even finish. Nice.
We decided we're gonna have ourselves a little grinder race. Angle grinder race, that is. We have our respective locations set up and we're about to do this. We need to clean the surface and put the bevels on. Ready, set, go. Okay. All right, so we've got both blades done, and I think that it's time to actually break some stuff with them because they are feeling mighty solid. They're sharp. Let's get to it. This one goes out to all those keyboard warriors. Oh, this guy is sharp. Who even eats fruit nowadays? Alright, so I'd say that these swords are pretty tough, but they need to look a lot prettier because the Thanos sword is an ornate sword. Time to do some fancy stuff. Fancy stuff time. This thing's looking mad tasty. Alright, so now we need to cut some slots into our handle piece so that we can put the blades into the handle, weld it all up, and it's going to be super strong. That's heavy. Time to put the second blade on. Oh my god. Oh my god, man. How much does it weigh? 29 pounds.
Alright, so up until this point, Riley's been able to make all the parts for the Thanos sword in-house using our own equipment. Unfortunately, the handle guard for the Thanos sword is a bit too big for our CNC machine. So we're going to be using one of our new partners, Proto Labs, to help us manufacture this part.
Now let's just do a quick test fit and see how this looks. That is a really, really nice looking sword. So now we gotta go paint it, we'll drill some holes, and get this thing finished. And then we're gonna break stuff.